Hi everyone, my name is Daniel and welcome to another video on my DIY gardening YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be listing my favourite unsung heroes of the shade. These are plants that not only survive, that do really well in north facing gardens. So these will be perfect if you've got a dark garden and you're looking to add some plants that will do really well and add a little bit of colour into your garden. Now all of these plants are personal favourites of mine. I've either grown them myself or I've specified them to be planted in other people's gardens, and I know that they've all worked very well in sort of those darker, shadier gardens. So let's get stuck in. Camellias are evergreen shrubs that provide glossy dark green leaves and stunning rose-like blooms in shades of pink, red and white. They're early bloomers and can provide a splash of colour in late winter to early spring when few other plants are flowering. With large leathery evergreen leaves and spectacular clusters of flowers in the spring, rhododendrons and azaleas are a staple of shady gardens. They come in a range of colours and sizes, but they do require acidic soil to thrive. Known as the smooth hydrangea, this deciduous shrub features large rounded flower heads of creamy white blooms in summer, which stand out against its medium green foliage. It's a hardy plant that can tolerate a range of soils and is particularly suited for shaded areas in both cool and warm climates. The Annabelle cultivar is especially popular for its abundant and large flowers that can create a stunning display even in a north-facing garden. Foxgloves bring height and drama to the back of a border and are a quintessential cottage garden plant. Their tall spikes of tubular flowers are magnets for bees and come in a range of colours from purples to pinks and creams. Bleeding hearts are recognisable by their iconic heart-shaped flowers which dangle from arching stems. This unique plant is a charming addition to any shade garden. Blooming in late spring, it can add a romantic touch with its pink or white flowers. Tiarella is a charming woodland perennial that offers beautiful foliage that is often deeply lobed or heart-shaped with distinctive veining. In spring and early summer, it sends up spikes of foamy white or pink flowers that can add a light, airy quality to the shady parts of the garden. Tiarella plants are clump forming and work well as ground cover, creating a tapestry of leaves and blooms that are attractive to pollinators. Hostas are versatile perennials that are shade tolerant and are valued for their lush foliage, which comes in a variety of shapes, sizes and colours from deep greens to blues and even variegated forms. They can produce spiky flowers in shades of purple or white during the summer, and their robust nature makes them ideal for low light areas in the garden. Siberian bugloss has heart-shaped leaves, often featuring striking silver variegation. This plant is known for its forget-me-not blue-like flowers that appear in the spring. It's a low-maintenance plant that's perfect for adding a splash of colour to shady spots in your garden. Mahonia is a hardy evergreen shrub with holly-like leaves and produces fragrant yellow flowers in late autumn to early winter, which later turn into dark blue berries. It's excellent for adding structure and winter interest to north-facing gardens. Astilbe is valued for its plume-like flowers that can range in colour from white to pink to deep red, set against finely cut fern-like foliage. These plants prefer moist soil and can add a soft feathery texture to your garden from late spring to midsummer. With their cheerful rosettes of flowers, primroses herald the arrival of spring. They are low growing and come in almost every colour, preferring cool, moist conditions often found in north-facing gardens. Ferns are perfect for north-facing gardens due to their preference for cooler and shadier spots. They provide architectural interest with their feathery fronds and can fill in the understory of a garden with lush greenery. Ferns are excellent companions for other shade plants and can create a woodland aesthetic in your garden. So that's it, that wraps up my list of my 12 favourite plants for growing in a north-facing garden. So these plants really do prove that having a lack of sunlight isn't a hindrance and it isn't a barrier to adding sort of colour and interest into your garden. I hope this video has helped you see the potential of your garden. If it has, do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more content like this. So from me and from Doogie, I wish you all the best. Hopefully we'll see you on the next video.